Hi guys, welcome to my Kriya channel, and I'm Janelle Edelweiss Kuto. And Kriya is basically a platform wherein I want to inculcate the learning of music, language, art and dance, and learning music in relation to language, art and dance, and learning language through music, art and dance. And that was the whole aim of starting Kriya. So wherein I also take my I conduct regular sessions on a one-to-one basis, and I do tutoring in groups as well. And I've also take online sessions for those of you who are interested in learning on a one-to-one or a group class with me. Let me know, we can get in touch. And for those of you who would like to learn through my YouTube channel, this is another very good platform for you to do so. So let's get started. I hope you really take a good advantage of this. Today is my second tutorial video, and I wanted to do something which is very close to my heart. So my favorite instrument among my string instruments is one of them is the ukulele, and I absolutely love this song called Hallelujah. We are going to learn this song Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen on the ukulele. I hope you guys are excited. Now I have decided to do the song on the G major scale, okay, on the G major scale, because that's the pitch that I find very comfortable to sing. So you could transpose chords according to the chords that I give you on this particular scale. For those of you who need help with another scale, you can always drop me your comments below and I will help you with that as well. Okay, so I'm going ahead with the song on the G scale. Now first of all, I need to show you the song chords. Okay, so the chords go like these. The chords go as under. Okay, so you have the G chord. Okay, so your first finger is on the 2nd fret 3rd string. Second finger is on the 2nd fret 1st string, and your third finger is on the 3rd fret 2nd string. So when you put it together, this is how it sounds. This is the G major chord. Okay, then you have D, the D major chord. D major chord. I've also given in chord charts below so that it gets easy for you to kind of refer to the chord. Okay, refer to the chord. So this is your D. So you have your first finger on the 2nd fret 4th string, your second finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string, and your third finger on the 2nd fret 2nd string. So when you put them together, this is how it looks. Okay, D, super simple. C chord with just one finger, 3rd fret 1st string. Okay, with your third finger. Okay, a super easy chord, the C chord, one among my favorites. It sounds amazing. So again, the G, the D, the C, we've done all of these. Now moving on to the next, which is E minor. 1, 2, 3. So your first finger is on the 2nd fret 1st string, second finger is on the 3rd fret 2nd string, and your third finger is on the 4th fret 3rd string. And when you put them together, it sounds like this. E minor. And your last chord, which is called a B minor. Now for the B minor, for those of you who are initially just starting the ukulele, I think it may be a little difficult, but it's not very difficult. Like, it's not impossible to achieve, but I think it will be a little difficult initially to start off with. But what you can do is, but I believe you can actually get this. It's super cool. So what you do is, you press your first finger on the 2nd fret on all 4 strings like this. Okay, completely. Now what you can do is press your 2nd finger over the 1st finger and give it a good grip. Now with this, you press it completely on the 2nd fret and just pluck your strings. Okay, this, when you play it like this, is called a B minor 6. Okay, it's a B minor 6 without this note, without the note which I have not yet put in. Okay, but if you play it like this, it's called a B minor 6. You can start off with the B minor 6 initially, and then later once you've got a grip of this, you add on this finger as well, which is your 4th string, 4th fret, right on top here with your 3rd finger, with your ring finger. So when you play the B minor, it actually sounds like this. This is B minor, huh? This is B minor. So your chords would be G, D, C, E minor, and B minor. So your strumming pattern goes like this. So you have beat for the song is going to be 1, 2, 3. I'm giving you a very simple strumming pattern so that it's easy to achieve initially. Okay, so your beat is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's like your waltz timing. Every first beat, okay, is going to be accented. When I say accented, meaning you're going to play it a little louder, and the second and the third beat is going to go a little softer as in comparison to the first. So for example, if I'm taking the G chord, it's going to go like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I can play with my thumb, I can play it with my index finger. Whatever you feel comfortable, you can go ahead with that. Okay, so but make sure you play around the sound hole. Don't go towards the fretboard, don't go away, because it sounds too sharp here, it sounds very low here. This is ideal, okay, somewhere around this area. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now for the introduction, I'm going to do G 2 times. So 1, 2, 3, 2 times, and then I'm going to do E minor, and then put this together and do G, E minor, G, E minor, both each 2 times. So E minor, G, E minor. Now when I have to put it with the song, this is how it's going to go. I've given in the chords below, so I would want you to change exactly where I've placed the chords. So what's going to happen is your chords are going to keep changing. Okay, your chords are going to keep changing, but the strumming pattern doesn't stop throughout the song. Now the strumming pattern is going to keep going and keep going and keep going and keep going on till the end of the song, and you are going to keep playing it till then. So do not stop. So practice it in such a way that the strumming pattern comes to you very, subconsciously. You don't have to struggle too much. So practice the strumming pattern. Once you get it, the chords will be easy to move. So you can move, practice your fingering, your chord changing. Okay, practice the chord changing. It'll come. B minor as well. Together with the song, this is how it's going to sound. So I'm going to give you an idea as to how it sounds, and after I finish this, I'm going to actually sing the whole song for you to know how it's supposed to sound completely. Okay, so the introduction: G, E minor, G, E minor 2 times. Do follow the chords below the lyrics. Okay, with the lyrics, I'm putting it down below, so I want you to have a look and change exactly where I have put the chord. Okay, exactly above that particular note. So whenever you're singing and wherever the chord is, put the chord exactly wherever I have placed it. Okay, so change it there, not before, not after. Okay, so G, E minor, G, E minor, introduction 2 times. Don't forget to accent the first beat, loud, soft, soft. Okay, so you go loud, soft, soft, loud, soft, soft, loud, soft, soft, loud, soft, soft. Well, I heard there was a secret chord the day we played, and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, goes like You guys liked it. Please do like, okay, click on the like button, do subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell so that you can get the notifications for every new video channel. Much love guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.